Okay, my friends, palabras agudas. Now, we're going to learn this type of words, and now you finally will learn when you need to stress a syllable. So, with these lessons, you are not going to be problems or struggle with a pronunciation, because right now you have to pay attention, because I'm going to teach you when a word when you need to stress a syllable, because in Spanish we have accent mark for words. So we're going to teach right now palabras agudas. So I'm going to teach you the lesson. Palabras agudas. I didn't find translation for this word, so you have to learn in Spanish. Palabras agudas. Okay, definition about palabras agudas. Palabras agudas are those words which have an accent mark in the last syllable. The accent mark means that you have to stress the syllable where the accent mark is, right? So when you see a word with a accent mark in a syllable, so you have to stress that syllable when the accent mark is, right? That is the definition. Okay, now we're going to learn some rules. Number one, they have an accent mark. Okay, sorry. They have an accent mark if they end in a vowel, a, e, o, u, or in the consonants n or s, right? So palabras agudas will have an accent mark in the last syllable, right? And they will have a accent mark if they end in a vowel or in the consonants N or S, right? Simple. And some examples. Palabras agudas which end in a vowel. Okay, we have some here. Café. It's coffee in English. Oh, the color brown. Café. So listen carefully, my friends. Café. We have an accent mark in the last syllable, fe. So we have to stress the last syllable because we have an accent mark there. So café, sofá, acné, mamá, bebé, papá, right? So we have to stress the last syllable because we have an accent mark. So café, sofá, acné, mamá, bebé, papá. So my friends, this is easy. Every word who has an accent mark in the last syllable, that word will be a palabra aguda. Easy. Now you have to learn this. If a word ends in a vowel, but if the word doesn't have an accent mark, it is not a palabra aguda. So you don't have to stress the last syllable. So any word who ends in a syllable and doesn't have an accent mark like café, sofá, acné, mamá, bebé, papá, so you don't have to stress the last syllable if you don't see an accent mark, right? Okay, my friends,